Your newborn keeps sneezing scary or normal? Good news, it's usually normal in the first months. Tiny noses, tiny filters, sneezes, clear lint, milk mist and dust. No fever, feeding fine, plenty of wet diapers, you're likely okay. Dry room, run a humidifier near but not right next to the crib. Stuffy nose, try saline drops then gentle suction. Skip cotton swabs, they just irritate tiny nostrils. Call your pediatrician for fever 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius, or higher, fast breathing, poor feeds, or fewer wet diapers. Otherwise, a sneezy baby is just self-cleaning. Tired Mom approves. Subscribe for simple tips that work.